Hello everybody, I'm Buck WSR Weezer. Today we're sitting inside the 96 Ford Mustang 3.8 liter V6, and you can look at the dash there and see that the ABS anti-lock braking system light is illuminated, the engine's running, and that indicates we've got a diagnostic trouble code or codes in the ABS control module. This light was on intermittently for a while, and now it's on constantly when the engine's running. It's been this way for about a month. I want to try and diagnose it, see if we can resolve this, and that's our project for today. Okay, well, in pursuit of our solution to this ABS code, I actually needed to pay attention to the brakes themselves. It came to my attention today, or a day or so ago, when the rear brakes were making noise. Sure enough, pads are shot. Not happy about that, all the way down to the metal. So I'm going out to get some new brake pads and new rotors, do the brakes here on the rear. And that may have something to do with the ABS code that we were getting. Here you see that the ABS sensor even has metal flakes like sticking to it. So we had some metal against metal. It was loud, and could feel the rotor was hotter than the others. So shame on me for letting it go this long, but let's take care of that, and that might be the solution we need to the ABS problem. Heading out to the auto parts store. Well, here we are out on a test drive. As you can see, the ABS light indicator lamp is no longer lit. Did a brake job on the rear brakes and rotors, both sides. Also, while we were at it, replaced a brake line that was rusted out and actually ruptured while I was bleeding the one side, so that was good to take care of that. We'll see if that ABS light stays off. The one side, as I think I showed you, was metal to metal, totally gone. The brake pad's totally gone, so that may have been why our ABS was having a problem with the wheel speed sensors and so forth. So I guess if you've got an ABS code your vehicle, first thing to check is just make sure your brakes and rotors are all in good condition, and that may be all there is to it. Hopefully that's all there is in my case. Obviously there could be more going on, but looks like in this case we've got it solved, and feels good to have taken care of that. I want to thank you for watching. Feel free to leave a comment or a question if you have it. I'm Buck WSR Weezer. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.